How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another Sandy Expedition video. So in today's video, we're actually doing an install video on the Blackjack trailer jack. So the last time we got the van serviced at Wagga Caravans. Jack and the guys are really helpful. But while we're there, we purchased the Blackjack just to make life easier on the road. Funny enough, our last trip to Coolar National Parks, the manual jack actually failed, so luckily we had this in the shed ready to go. So why not do an install video? And Coda's come to join us. Hello, Coda. Alright, so pretty much this is all that comes in the box. So the Blackjack itself comes with a Anderson plug wired in. It's got a folding foot. It's got a pad if you're on sand or mud to rest it on. So this is the mounting bracket there. Comes with all nuts and bolts for the fit in. To hardwire it into the caravan, which we are going to do, comes with the wiring harness, Anderson plug, positive, negative, wide infused to the positive, trailer jack cover, and then pretty much all you need to mount up the jack itself. It's simple enough, just a 19mm socket and a 19mm ring spanner. But we'll get started in the mounting up. So as far as placement, ideally I wanted it in the centre, but because the factory jockey wheels there, it's all welded into place. I don't want to tamper with anything. I don't want to avoid warranty or any of that. So we're going to figure out a position for this. So like it would have been good there, but it doesn't quite fit. That would have been a perfect spot for it. But yeah, I don't want to be drilling into the chassis because that will probably avoid your warranty or insurances. So really, we don't have many options. Probably would have to go in there, I'd say. Can't really put it further back because we've got the brake cable, your rock, your stone guard. You don't want to be on the outside. So I think this is our only option. So we might just mount that up there and see what that looks like. Or do we go on this side? I might actually go on that corner if it's a bit better. It doesn't hit that grommet there, and there's also that compliance plate on the outside, so I don't want to damage that. So I think we'll be going on this side. So we'll just get the nuts and bolts. Well, that's pretty solid there. Get the blackjack itself. There must be the locking pin in there for it. Maybe not. I'd say those nuts and bolts would be to bolt that in position to stop that from swiveling around. So we'll pop this back under. Might be able to feed all this wiring from the chassis, but we'll see. Doesn't fit. We might have to just route that alongside the chassis, but we'll work this out later. But later. Just gotta work out what we're doing with that. I don't have any zip ties, so I'm gonna have to run up to the hardware and get some zip ties before I can install that. But I might, maybe just for the purpose of this, I might just plug that into the car, see how that all works out. I guess. First test, I'm going to just use the car power for this one, only because I want to look at the legality of drilling holes into the van to run that harness directly to the battery. I want to check the warranty and Lotus before I go drilling into a brand new caravan. So I just got the car running, let's plug this into the Anderson power. A little work light's on, that's on there. Down the bottom. It's pretty slow. I'll just speed that up. I might just drop the lace there. I'll just adjust that to the lowest leg point. Just touch down now. So that's starting to lift the caravan now. It's just lifting on ease. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So that's the black jack, trailer jack, electronic jack, whatever you call it, install video. So this is it, good bit of kit. I love it already. I can't wait to use it out on the tracks and when we travel around Australia. But don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So we might leave this video here. I'll leave this as a part 1. And I might do a part 2 of the wiring, hard wiring, once I find out from Lotus Caravans and the servicing team and the warranty, just to make sure I don't void any warranties before I go drilling into the subfloor and run that cabling underneath the vans. I'll probably do a part 2. But thanks for watching. Hopefully it was useful to use. But so far so good. We might do a review on this when we're out in the tracks. Thanks guys.